Hey, what's up? It's Taylor Daniels. So this Friday, Peak Party Crashers Halloween Edition is on. We are crashing 10 house parties to try and find the best house party in Calgary. They get bragging rights for the entire year, plus a 60-inch flat screen TV from Bestway TV. It's going to be so much fun. Hello? What's up?
Woof! 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 Woof!
We got a lot of work to do.
Trick or treat!
I think we're ready.